In this video, we will show you the installation of the side motor and associated parts on the motor side. These are the parts to be installed. We will begin by attaching the bearing plates to the folding plate. Installation is universal for the left and right-hand side. Next step is placing the cable drum between the brackets and sliding the cable drum shaft in place. Secure the cable drum shaft to the brackets with a cotter pin. Note, the side motor can be universally installed on the left or right side. Therefore, please pay attention to the running direction of the cable guides when installing the cable drum. The cables can only be wound up problem-free if the drum is mounted correctly. Next, you insert the feather key into the notch of the cable drum shaft and fasten it loosely with a cable tie so that it does not fall out. Slide the motor onto the cable drum shaft so that the feather key fits into the recess in the motor. The cable tie is pushed backwards and is no longer needed. Pull the motor flush against the outer bracket and secure it with the delivered screws. Now attach the hand crank to the motor so that it can easily be reached in the event of a malfunction. Next, the slack cable protection has to be installed. To do this, you first attach the bracket to the slack cable protection. You can now attach the slack cable protection to the folding plate. Mounting holes are located at the intended location of the folding plates. The next step is to mount the support bracket for the control box on the wall or rails. Simply place these on the desired spot. The bracket must be flush with the back of the rails so that the screws do not disturb the door movement. After that, you can attach the control box to the bracket. Make sure to connect the cables correctly on the control box to ensure the door functions properly. After you have written down the installation details in the logbook, you can attach it to the control box. In the next video, you will learn how to connect the steel cables.